Hey guys, so today we're going to show you guys exactly how to install this N2itive upper arm, which will adjust camber on your refreshed Model S or Plaid. One thing you'll want to do is when you open the box, you're going to want to make sure this arm is set to the factory length. If it is not set to the factory length, you're going to have a really hard time wrestling this thing in there. You'll probably have to loosen other lower arms to get it to fit in and get all your bolts lined up. So pull the factory arm out, line it up to this, shorten this arm up if need be, or lengthen it. Supposedly it's all set to factory length. For us it wasn't, it was a little bit too long, so we did shorten it. Steven's gonna show you guys exactly how to install this. We'll give you all the torque specs and everything, but it is gonna go in this way. So you've got an adjustment right here, so you can adjust the length of this arm at your alignment shop. And yeah, check it out. Thanks for watching.